from October the 20th, this is how you're going to explore careers in interest fit, aptitude fit, and overall fit from YouScience. So, first step, look through your careers. Then it asks a question, what is a career that you looked through, because you're supposed to explore, that interested you that you had not heard of before? And then a completely separate question, what surprised you most about your career suggestions? This career suggestions are all the careers that are posted for you. So what was something that you thought you wouldn't see on there? Or a pattern you noticed? Then you're going to pick one of your careers and look at the aptitude fit analysis graph, and I will show you where that is. So that is something I'll show you in YouScience. But the second part of this was to go through, search your careers by overall fit. That means you'll have to click on the word overall, go through, find 3 careers that interest you, write them down, and then put them in order of your interest. Order of interest would be 1, 2, 3, 1 being the one you're most interested in. Whichever one is 1, you write here. So whichever one of those 3 careers you picked you like the best, put here. You're going to write down 3 daily tasks about that career. And then over here, I know there are many bullet points, but I only need 3. Then on the back side of that sheet, in that same career, you're going to tell me the average salary, the educational investment, and the amount of openings. So it's growth projection, which means how many openings will there be. And these are all in that career box once you click on it. So now that you've done that for overall fit, you'll do the exact same thing for aptitude fit. So let me see if I'm in here. Well, that was dumb. Let's see if I can get this. So how you get there is you'll click on Best Fit Careers. It's already highlighted for overall fit, so this would be where I look through and I find 3 careers that I'm interested in. I originally wanted you to just look at green because those means those are the ones that potentially you would be good at based on your test results. But whatever color is fine. Write down 3. When you decide you're going to pick one, like, oh, I wrote down 3, pretend you wrote those 3 down, although you can really just look through. Educational investment, remember that question? Right there. Projected openings, it says projected growth, 12,000. Average salary, right there. What are you going to be doing in this career? A day in the life. Pick 3 things, or if you want to, these are written out kind of painfully, you can write 3 of these tasks, and you don't have to write the entire thing. That's how you get what you'd be doing in that career. That's why it's called a day in the life. Now that first question on the first page I asked about how your aptitudes fit with a career, you don't have to do this for each one, but that's this orange and white section. So if you look, the reason this was a strong fit is because the orange circles are pretty close to the white ones. I'm going to pick one of them, like that's lined up perfectly, and it tells me why this was a good fit. Really the reason why it was a good fit is because all the orange ones are pretty close. That's not very close, but that's why it's a strong fit. But I could write down why this is a good fit. Your ability in visual thinking is a strength with this career. That would be what I could write down about that. And remember, that is from this section. In your aptitude fit analysis graph, that was exactly what I just had. I will not remember where it is. That's this. Describe how your aptitudes will make you successful if you were in this career. And I have your aptitudes are the orange dots. What's needed for the career are the white dots. Okay, so back to careers. Pretend I've picked 3 in overall fit. That means overall fit means it's a combination of how I did on the aptitude tests and what I put were my interests. Now I'm going to focus just on aptitudes. Same thing, I'm going to pick 3 careers in this section that look interesting to me, and then one of them I will focus on and answer questions. So I'm going to write down 3 after I've clicked on aptitude here. I'm going to pick one of those, so I'd rank them in order of 1, 2, 3. like my first place one, write that name here, write 3 daily tasks. Then I'm going to flip over to the back where it says aptitude, and I'm going to write the salary, educational investment, and growth projection. And that is, if I could click on the right thing, educational investments 4+ years if I picked this one. Projected openings 9,700. This is different. This actually has a number, whereas the other career search we did in virtual job shadow is a percent, and then the average salary 77K. If this is the one I focused on. This is going to tell me what I'll be doing. I have to write down 3 things that I'd be doing in this job. You don't have to do this you only had to do this on the first page for one of them, but this shows you why that was a good fit. Finally, you'll do interest. So you'll click on interest. Boop, back to careers. And these are the careers that match based on what I said I would like to do. And I didn't, again, it doesn't mean that you said you want to be a history professor, but if you like certain things, that will be that. So I'm going to pick 3 careers out of here, put them in order, or not put them in order, but rank them, and then pick one and answer these questions and write 3 things about what I'd be doing in that job. Like it says here. It does not say 3 things here. That's that. Then I'll flip to the back, put the average salary, education investment, and growth projection.